Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Rodriguez and today I will be showing you how to add and subtract using visuals. So let's go ahead and review the standard and objective for this activity. So the standard is to solve addition and subtraction word problems and add and subtract within 10 by using objects or drawings to represent the problem. As for today's objective or the learning goal, the students will be able to solve at least 2 addition and 2 subtraction word problems within 10 by using drawings or objects to represent the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a practice problem. That way you guys can go ahead and practice with your families working on similar problems. So let's go ahead and read problem 1. So problem 1 reads, a farmer owns 8 baby chicks and the farmer sells 2 of the baby chicks. How many chicks does the farmer have left? So before I go ahead and tackle the problem, I'm going to go ahead and underline any key components of this. So I'm going to go ahead and underline the part where it talks about how many baby chicks the farmer initially has, which is 8. So as we do this, go ahead and underline with me. I'm also going to underline the part where it says the farmer sells 2 of the baby chicks. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and underline the actual problem that we're trying to solve, which is how many chicks does the farmer have left? So to solve this problem, I'm going to use visuals. I'm going to use a drawing to help me because I am a visual learner and it makes just the problem easier to solve. So it says that the owner starts off with 8 baby chicks because that's how many he owns. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 8 baby chicks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, the farmer goes ahead and sells 2 of his baby chicks. So he got rid of 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out 2 of mine. So here's 1 and 2. Well, now it's asking me how many chicks does the farmer have left? So let's go ahead and count the circles that are not crossed out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means the farmer has a total of 6 chicks left. So I'm going to go ahead and write my answer up here. Once I've done this, I want you guys to practice writing a number sentence. So a number sentence consists of 3 parts, and then it will also include either an addition or a subtraction symbol. For this case, since we are working on addition and subtraction, and then your equal sign. Okay, so you're going to have your 3 parts. On the first line here, you're going to write right here the first number that you start off with. Right here is the second value that you are either adding or subtracting from the first value. And then right here, the last line is going to be your total. So we know in this case, the farmer started off with 8 baby chicks. So the first value I'm going to start off with, which goes on my first line, is 8. We also know that he got rid of 2 baby chicks, so that is the value I'm going to be putting here. But I need to remember if I've added or subtracted. Well, I crossed them out, so we subtracted. So I'm going to go ahead and circle my subtraction symbol. Excuse me. And then again, right here, we're going to add our second value. So that is the number 2 because that's how many the farmer got rid of. And then finally, on our last line, we're going to go ahead and put our answer, which again, after solving it together, we found that it was 6. And that's it for the problem. So now I want you guys to go ahead and practice solving similar problems with your families. And remember, while you guys are solving these, read each problem carefully and draw or use objects to represent the problem. It makes it so much easier when solving them. And then don't forget to practice writing a number sentence. All right, good luck. You guys got this.